Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So we are going to do a monthly reading for Scorpios for the month of September 2025. This will be a general reading guys, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Okay, so in this reading we will see the overall energy for the month, the obstacles or challenges which might come during the month of September, the guidance, and what will be the strength and opportunities and the probable outcome. At the end of this video we will also see a guiding message from the angels and ancestors deck, so please do stay till the end. Please do claim the positive energy from this reading, and please subscribe to my channel if you have already not done so, and please do also hit the notification button so you get the notification whenever I upload a new video or post anything. So let's start. Let's get into the reading guys. So let's see what's coming in for Scorpios. Okay, what's coming in for Scorpio? Okay, September 2025. September 2025. I don't know, I'll take. Okay, it's a lover's card, so I won't be showing it completely on the video, but I'll read out the messages the card is giving. Again, the star card. So bottom of the deck is, that's the current energy for some of you. It can be like you are trying to balance things. It's like you are overloaded with work. For some of you it's like आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों को एक साथ हैंडल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, and somewhere it's draining your energy, but you are sure कि whatever you're working on, it's going to be very fruitful for you, and you are not giving up on that situation. And also you are expecting for some news, for some good news, which can be, for some of you it can be you are expecting a good news to conceive or to have a new member in your family. Also for some of you I see you are expecting good news at your workplace. Okay, whatever the situation is, there are very good chances that you will get success in the month of September, or you will ultimately get the news you have been waiting for. सो द एनर्जी राइट नाउ हियर इज़, आप अगर बहुत ज़्यादा अपने आप को ड्रेन कर रहे हो, बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस कर रहे हो अपने काम पे एंड नॉट एबल टू टेक रेस्ट, सो द गाइडेंस हियर फॉर यू हियर राइट नाउ इज़ टू टेक सम टाइम ऑफ एंड थिंक क्लियरली व्हाट यू नीड टू एक्चुअली फोकस ऑन. 10 चीज़ों को एक साथ आप काम करने की कोशिश करोगे तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू फोकस कम्प्लीटली ऑन वन थिंग. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग एंड देन वर्क. ओके, दैट वाज द energy. And now let's see during the month of September what is the overall energy for you Scorpio. So the overall energy for the month of September is to change your perspective instead of focusing on lack. जो चीज़ चली गई है या जो चीज़ छूट गई है उस चीज़ पे ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करके चीज़ों को नए तरह से देखने की ज़रूरत है, so that you can move ahead in your life. See, whatever is meant to happen and whatever is meant to stay in life will ultimately stay, and whatever is not will go off, no matter how hard you try, right? So sometimes what we have to do is you have to be thankful for जो भी था या जो भी आपने सीखा है उस कनेक्शन से. इमोशनल लेवल पे ये चीज़ ज़्यादा मुझे फील हो रही है कि इमोशनली आप, हो सकता है किसी के साथ आपका कनेक्शन पहले जैसा ना रहे, बॉन्ड आपका पहले जैसे ना रहे. फॉर सम ऑफ यू, आई डोंट नो, आई एम गेटिंग दिस वेरी स्ट्रांगली कि आपका कनेक्शन पूरी तरह से भी टूटने के चांसेस हैं या ख़त्म होने के चांसेस हैं. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ, या फिर हो चुके हैं ऑलरेडी, ओके, फॉर सम ऑफ यू, कि आपने जो भी आपने एफर्ट्स डाले थे एट एन इमोशनल लेवल किसी कनेक्शन पे, इट हैज़ एंडेड समवेयर, and now you are focusing on what is gone. Okay, so you need to change your perspective and see things from a different angle. Try to understand what that connection has taught you and learn your lessons from that and change your perspective and move on in your life. That is what the overall energy is. ओके, सो डोंट फोकस ऑन वॉट इज़ गॉन, रैदर अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज करके अपनी ग्रोथ पे ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज दैट इज़ वॉट द थिंग इज़. द चैलेंज हियर इज़ यू हैव एवरीथिंग, लाइक द यूनिवर्स इज़ गिविंग यू अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. यू आर, मे बी आपको जॉब ऑफर्स भी आ रहे हैं, आपको पीपल आर ट्राइंग टू कम्युनिकेट टू यू, बट यू आर समवेयर नॉट ग्रैबिंग दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. Okay, so maybe you are too much focused on what is gone that you are somewhere overlooking. जो opportunities आपको मिल रही है, जो रास्ते आपके लिए खुल रहे हैं, आप उसकी तरफ ध्यान ही नहीं दे रहे हो. आप जो चला गया सिर्फ उस पर just crying over the spilt milk. So you don't have to do that. Just change your perspective and grab the opportunity you are getting. It can be for some of you, अगर आप कुछ नया प्रोफाइल, नया साइड हसल स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो आपको उस पर ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है, उसको ओवरलुक नहीं करना है, निगलेक्ट नहीं करना है, स्पेशली जब वो आपको हैप्पी फील करा रहा है या फिर सेटिस्फाइड फील करा रहा है, या फिर इट इज़ समथिंग ऑफ योर हॉबी। ओके, सो आपको उस चीज़ पे भी ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज वंस यू डू दैट यू विल सी ग्रोथ इन योर लाइफ। बट अगर आप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को नहीं लोगे तो यू कैन, देयर आर चांसेस दैट यू मे मिस इट। ओके, सो डोंट, एंड ऑल्सो इन योर कम्युनिकेशन आई सी, आपको अपने कम्युनिकेशन पे भी ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है। बहुत ज़्यादा ब्लंट नहीं होना है, बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श नहीं होना है, रैदर बी काइंड एंड बी वेरी expressive and vocal about things you believe in and you want to work on. For some of you, I see you need to work on your communication skill. You need to open your throat chakra so that you can express easily what you really want to. Okay. Another thing I see, there is a proposal coming in. I see there may be somebody who is watching you from afar. Maybe for some of you, it can be somebody who is seeing you maybe through social media, through a mutual connection, or somebody is just having these emotions for you, feelings for you, and now this person is somewhere trying to come and express their feelings or emotions to you. For some of you, it can be you who wants to communicate or express your feelings and emotions to someone. So it's a good chance that don't take any डोंट डिले इट। बेसिकली अगर आपको एक्शन लेना है, अपने मन की बात किसी से कहनी है, तो आप जस्ट गो अहेड, डोंट वेट फॉर लॉन्ग। ओके, ऑलरेडी आप बहुत ज़्यादा वेटिंग एनर्जी में रहे हो, सो नाउ बी प्रिपेयर्ड। आपको क्या बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, एंड जस्ट एक्सप्रेस इट, बट बी जेन्युइन, बी लॉयल, एंड you need to have your pure intentions. Okay, and don't worry about the outcome. At least once you have confessed your feelings or emotions, or expressed it, you will be free from this thinking energy that whether I should take that move or not. Okay, so at least take the action wherever it is required. If you are the one to express or propose somebody, or there is a proposal coming in towards you, just see if you feel good about it, go ahead. If not, communicate, prepare properly. Okay, so that is what I see, because whatever you need in your life to work on, be it your relations, be it your professional life, at your work, or everything, whatever, you have all the resources. It's just that you need to know how to बेस्ट यूटिलाइज इट। ओके, आपके पास सब चीज़ है, बट आपको उसको यूटिलाइज करने की ज़रूरत है। ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम there is this energy of go getter and to work. So it's like you are trying to manifest something, you are trying to create something of your own. अगर आप ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो तो go for it. Okay, so it's like there is something I see for some of you, you're going to start something which will attract so much of attention towards you. Maybe आप सोशल मीडिया पे, या आप आपके वर्क लाइफ पे, या आपके पर्सनल लाइफ पे कुछ ऐसा है जो सबकी अटेंशन आपकी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करेगा बिकॉज ऑफ योर अचीवमेंट्स और योर वर्क यू आर डूइंग. Okay, that is what also I see. So just best utilize your resources, utilize your knowledge, utilize your experience, utilize your skills to the bestest possible, and you will see the growth and the rewards for your work. Okay, another is the Lovers card. So there is an opportunity. As I said, somebody is coming with a proposal. I do strongly feel there is a proposal coming in. Somebody is going to express their love towards you, but you have to be very careful to understand the difference between love and lust. Okay, so you have to think clearly what are the intentions of this person. Okay, initially you can also, if you feel like you are okay to come move ahead, so just try to understand the energy the person is coming with. Okay, also I see there, whatever the obstacles for some of you, it can be for very few of you. अगर आपके लाइफ में कुछ ऑब्स्टिकल्स है तो आई सी इट्स द क्लाउड्स आर being cleared and you will be able to see the sun shining bright. Okay, you have all the blessings, you have the blessings from the angels, from the ancestors, but all you have to do is to listen to your instinct. Try to understand the difference between the love, lust energy, the intention of the person coming towards you, or the kind of move you are looking for in your life. Just understand if it is temporary or it is something you really want, and only then take a call. Whatever the confusion, obstacles were there are going to be cleared, and you will be able to see things clearly. That is what also I see. For some of you, I see if you will work on your project, on your skill, use your skills and best utilize it, you are going to get the rewards for it. Okay, for some of you it can be financial rewards, for some of you it can be a recognition kind of thing, right, which you may have been waiting for. So that is what the kind of energy I'm getting for you, Scorpio. It's a very good read. After a really long time I got this good read for you. Maybe let's see what are the angel and guiding messages are coming in for you. Please do claim the positive energy, saying, mentioning on the comments that you are best utilizing your resources and the universe is working in your favor, things are working in your favor, and you are getting the results of your hard work. Okay, we got the two cards. I'll take both. So the first is the see, set your sights higher. As I said, you need to grab the opportunities being provided to you. You don't have to focus on what is gone. Okay, you need to change your perspective and see the broader picture, the bigger picture. Whatever is gone is gone. Just focus on what lesson that experience has or that connection has taught you and move ahead in your life. So you need to change your perspective and see things from a broader angle and try to work on your skills to get the best results of your hard work or your skills, knowledge, everything. Okay, another is wait for some important information. As I said right here, you need to understand clearly what the intention. If a person is coming towards you, you need to understand the intention of the person. So instead of jumping into any conclusion or going for a direct commitment kind of thing when it comes to anything, basically try to observe and analyze the situation or the person. Try to get some more information before you go into any kind of commitment thing. Okay, that is what also I see. This is no coincidence that this card has come in with this reading, that you need to wait and get the more information. In it can be from any source. Once you ask the universe that you need more clarity, you don't know in which way the universe is going to disclose the informations to you. It works miraculously, but you have to wait and just ask the universe to help you understand the true intention of the person or understand the situation clearly. Okay, so that is what the reading for you is, Scorpio. If you have liked it, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.